Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to University of Narwal Chemistry Department. Today we will discuss Chapter 9, Lecture 5, Resonance Concept about the structure of benzene. First of all, we discuss the definition of resonance, the possibility of the different pairing schemes of the valence electrons of an atom is called resonance. The process in which two or more Lewis structures are used to represent single compound is called resonance. For example, now consider the structure of acetate ion. In this structure, negative charge is present on this oxygen atom and double bond is present between carbon and oxygen. This negative charge shift in between these two atoms and these electrons are migrated to on this atom. In this way, second structure can be written as C double bond O, C O negative. Resonance is represented by a double-headed arrow. It means these two structures represent the single ion. Acetate ion can be represented by this structure or it can be represented by this structure. Both are equally contributing structure. Now, different structures written for a compound are called resonance contributing structures, and that this phenomena is called resonance. Non-contributing structure represent the real molecule fully. Actually, real structure is the resonance hybrid of all these structures. For example, we can write 5 contributing structure for benzene molecule. It is called structure 1, it is called structure 2, it is called structure 3, it is called structure 4, it is called structure 5. These two structures are given by Kapoor. Hence these are called structure 1 and 2 are called Kapoor structures. And structure 3, 4 and 5 are given by Dewar, hence they are called Dewar structures. Structure 1 and 2 are called Kapoor structure and they match with real molecule 40% each. Hence both these structures combined with real molecule 80%. In structure 3, 4 and 5, bond between carbon 1 and carbon 4, carbon 3 and 6, carbon 2 and 5 have bond length more than other carbon atom. So these are called para bond structures. So these structures are less contributing to the real molecule. All the carbon bond in benzene are in between double and single bonds. Carbon single bond in alkane is its bond length is 1.54 angstrom, and carbon double bond in alkene like Benzene has bond length 1.34 angstrom. Now the carbon-carbon bond length in benzene is 1.397 angstrom. This bond length is more than 1.34 angstrom and less than 1.54 angstrom. So carbon-carbon bond length in benzene is in between double bond and single bond. Actually, double bond or pi bonds present in the structure of benzene are delocalized. So the structure of benzene can be represented as hexagonal framework has cyclic ring in it. So structure of benzene can be represented as follows.